Bad habits vocabulary. Pick one's nose. Don't pick your nose. Don't pick your nose. He picks his nose. He picks his nose. Biting one's nails. I bite my nails. I bite my nails. You should not bite your nails. You should not bite your nails. Litter. Do not litter. Do not litter. Please do not leave litter after your picnic. Please do not leave litter after your picnic. Cracking the knuckles. I crack my knuckles. I crack my knuckles. Don't crack the knuckles. Don't crack the knuckles. Click. She clicks her pen. She clicks her pen. Stop clicking the pen. Stop clicking the pen. Grind the teeth. He is grinding his teeth. He is grinding his teeth. Stop grinding your teeth. Stop grinding your teeth. Spit. Don't spit in public places. Don't spit in public places. Sucking a thumb. Don't suck your thumb. Don't suck your thumb. Bullying. He's always bullying smaller boys. He's always bullying smaller boys. You should avoid bullying others. You should avoid bullying others. Smoke. I used to smoke, but I quit it. I used to smoke, but I quit it. I quit smoking 3 years ago. I quit smoking 3 years ago.